Masibayo Valencia, ako yan, Team Bautista ng Exploring Pampanga. So for today's video guys, naimbitahan tayo ng SM StartUp Market. So mamaya is kakaroon ng grand opening. So itong StartUp Market nila dito sa SM City Clark guys, no, isa siyang one-stop stop-up market na kung saan makikita natin yung mga local products and then syempre mga foods and etc. na pinagmamalaki ng ating mga dedicated entrepreneurs and then yung mga kabalen natin na may mga online business. So ito na yung inopen ni SM City Clark Stop-Up Market. So later guys, iikutan natin lahat ng mga stall dito sa Stop-Up Market and then ito yung mga nag-participate. Makikita nyo dito sa one-stop shop Stop-Up Market nila dito sa SM City Clark. So ayan, andyan si Victoria Bread House, Cabeza Jewelry and Accessories Shops, Caking Giant Cakes and Pastries, Fragments Handicrafts, God's Premium Egg Tart Cakes and Pastries, Kino Mocha, Malan, Sulu, the famous Taiwan Pepper Bun, and Food Steward.
Because like them, we started as an MSME. And thanks to the perseverance of our founder, the late Mr. Henry C. Sr. or Tata. And through this program, we are offering MSMEs the valuable support they need to start their own SM shops. Congratulate the MSMEs who were inspired to follow the footsteps of Tata and grab this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As we continue creating programs for our MSMEs to enrich and sustain their growth amid the pandemic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! How about a big round of applause, everyone? Welcome to the SM family.
Natin check itong the famous Taiwan Pepper Bun. So yun, kasama natin si Ma'am Clarice and Sir Ryan. Kailan ba kayo nag-start, ma'am?
Nag-start po yung business namin last October 2020.
October 2020.
Bali na more than 1 year na siya ngayon. So nag-come up kami sa business na to dahil hilig namin mag-travel kung wala pang pandemic. So sa Taiwan, isa to sa mga pinipilahan doon. Kaya nagka-idea kami. Tsaka personally, gusto namin yung lasa. Kaya practice talaga namin hanggang sa ma-perfect namin yung lasa. Kaya yun, nag-boom naman siya dito sa Pilipinas. Pwede nyo pong i-like and share yung page namin, The Famous Taiwan Pepper Bun. Visit nyo po kami dito para matikman nyo yung Taiwan Pepper Bun.
Next natin check kabalan itong Fragments Handicraft. Siyempre kasama natin si Ma'am Donna. Ito yung mga product nyo, ma'am. So paano po kayo nag-start?
Nag-start po ako nung nasa ibang bansa po ako. Kasi nurse po ako. I was working sa isang military hospital. It so happened nagka-cancer po ako. Tapos nung nagpapagaling ako, I usually paint. Pero gusto ko sana magkaroon ng kakaiba. Since ang hospital namin nagbibigay din pati tissue at lahat, na-incorporate ko po ang tissue. So this is acrylic on tissue painting.
So yan, guys. Ito ang kabalan yan. Gamit ni ma'am is tissue and then acrylic. Napakagaling naman. And then may mga ibang products din kayo, ma'am. Yan.
Yes po, ito po
handicraft
naman,
na.
lanyards. Basta po gawa sa kamay, lanyards gamit na rin pong gumagawa. Mga beads, mga bracelets. Ayan po, pwede yan sa mask, lanyards. Pwede
ito,
po
ma'am.
necklace, opo.
Ito, ma'am.
Ito po, they call it marble paperweights.
So kayo na rin
Ako
naman
din
yan.
po,
Ang galing niya, ma'am.
nagka-calligraphy po. Tapos sa mura lang po yan, tapos pwede pong i-box. Pwede po magpa-personalize. Pwede magpa-sulat. Pwede souvenir.
Okay.
Like for kasal. Po si Donna, the owner and the artist of Fragments Handicrafts. Tignan niyo po or check out yung Facebook page namin, Fragments Handicrafts, Instagram, Fragments Handicrafts, or you can Gmail us, fragments.handicrafts@gmail.com, and you can call us po. May mga phone number naman tayo doon. I'm inviting all our kabalen from Angeles or all over Pampanga and or all North Luzon po. Pasyalan po nyo kami dito sa Start-Up Market ng SM City Clark.
Next natin ay check itong The Good Steward dito sa Stop-Up Market. Siyempre kasama natin si Sir Rock. Sir Rock, ano po yung mga products nyo dito?
Alright, so we have 6 flavors. We call them artisan cookies. They're not just regular cookies, ano sila, gourmet cookies. So
Gourmet cookies.
Yes.
So ito sila. Ayan no, bale meron silang classic, dark chocolate, s'mores, matcha, oatmeal, and then syempre yung lemon milk cheese. So, paano kayo nag-start, sir?
Nag-start ako. This is a pandemic baby. The reason why it's called The Good Sword is because I used to be a flight steward from Philippine Airlines, and then I was retrenched. And nung natanggal ako, ayun, so I got depressed just like everybody else, and then I thought of one thing, I need to make money. So yung depression ko, kinonvert ko into baking and making recipes for my family lang naman. And then eventually, one person tasted the first flavor, and eventually nagpaso yung words. And then kumukuha na ako ng orders. So yun, yun lang siya nag-start.
So nag-start na hanggang makita nyo itong StartUp market ni SM.
Oo.
Yun, so
Yeah.
page nyo, sir?
Page, thegoodsteward.tgs, both on Instagram and Facebook.
Wait ka pala, no? Next natin i-check itong Cabeza Jewelry and Accessory Shop. Siyempre, kasama natin si Sir Earl.
Yes.
So Sir Earl, ano pa yung mga products nyo?
Hi, my name is Earl. I'm the founder and owner of Cabeza Gemstones and Crystals. So we sell 100% natural and genuine crystals. Po sila source out of the country. And our business goal is to touch and elevate people's lives by using our crystals. So Cabeza started around January 2020.
Pandemic din, sir.
Yes, before pandemic. So it was introduced to me by a companion. So since then, interested na ako with gemstones and crystals.
Nice.
So currently, yung profession ko kasi is flight steward. So I have means to travel out of the country. Yes. So I've used that as a tool for me to search suppliers around the world. So yun, doon na po yung Cabeza.
So yung page nyo, sir?
Yung page po namin is sa Instagram, cabeza.ph, and sa Facebook, Cabeza Philippines.
Next naman natin interviewin si Mami Bon. Siyempre siya yung may-ari ng Sulu. Ma'am, kailan po kayo nag-start?
Nag-start po yung Sulu noong July 2020 po.
So pandemic din?
Yes,
Yun.
pandemic po. Nag-start po yun kasi po sa research ko na basa ko mula na yung scented candles nakakatulong po sa mental health. So, kailangan po natin yun ngayon dahil po may pandemic.
Tama.
Tsaka, estudyante po kasi ako. So, alam ko po yung feeling na
Na-stress, nadidepress. So nakaka-relieve siya.
yes po,
Pag naamoy mo yung scent niya, talagang nawawala. So ito, meron silang citronella lemon, peppermint, cafe mocha, yan, lavender, and then yung cream vanilla. So meron pa dun sa kabila, yun.
Yung Facebook page po namin, sulu.candles.ph.
Yun, Sulu, kasi Kapampangan, Ilaw. Bali, andito pa rin tayo sa one-stop shop ng StartUp Market. So ito naman, i-check natin si Victoria Bread House. Kasama natin si Sir Brian, yun. So siya yung may-ari ng mga... Ay, kasama si Ma'am, ano po pa? Ma'am Christine. So ito yung mga product nila. May breads, ensaimadas, and cinnamon rolls. Kailan kayo nag-start, sir?
Start kami ng start din ng pandemic actually. 2020,
2020, yun.
After
So,
kasi galing ako sa work. Pinauwi kami galing ng work kasi na nagtatrabaho ako sa Amanpulo. Chef kasi ako.
Amanpulo.
So, dahil wala nang income, kaya ito, naisipan namin mag-start ng bread business. Una for friends.
Friends, family, gano'n.
Tapos nagustuhan naman nila, tsaka try naman nila, masarap pati daw ako mag-start mag-open ng pandemic na lang nag-start ako ng bread. Yung Facebook page namin, yung si Victoria, ito mismo.
Si Victoria sa
Check nyo, yan.
Instagram, wala po.
Instagram siya rin.
Same lang din po. Nandito naman tayo sa God's Premium Egg Tart, Cake, and then Pastry. So, kailan kayo nag-start, sir?
Mga 2020.
Summer 2022. Kasama pala natin si Sir Angelo. Yan. So, nag-start kayo, pandemic. So, ano yung mga products nyo, sir?
Egg tarts po, Portuguese egg tarts, pati different kinds of cakes.
Paano siya nag-start, sir?
Yung mother ko po kasi chef siya, pastry chef. Tapos ayun po, umuwi po siya, tapos nag-pandemic po. So po kasi sila sa Australia po. Tapos ayun, so nag-start, naisip niya pong gawing business yung talent niya po.
So, same din yung ginagawa niya sa Australia.
Opo, yun
mga
din po.
ganyan.
Tapos ginawa niya lang pong business yung knowledge niya about sa mga pastries. So, yun. At Guts Premium Egg Tarts po. Mga
Nandito.
kabalen po, punta po kayo dito sa SM Clark. Nandito po yung pwesto namin.
Check naman natin yung products ni Ma'am Ann. Ito yung Malan. Kailan kayo nag-start, Ma'am?
So our pop-up store started yesterday, and today is the official opening of our store is here at SM City Clark. So we'll be here until July 31st. So the duration of 6 months, we'll be releasing designs every week. So you can visit and shop. Yeah, so we have, our line is famous for earrings. We have different kinds of earrings, so you can select from, if you like silver, and then you have gold. And if you want studs, we have the smaller earrings here. And then we have pearl earrings. So these are freshwater pearls. So if you're attending a wedding or if you're one of the bridesmaids, this is the perfect choice. And then we have acrylics categorized by color, so it's easy to select.
Page, Ma'am, may promote niyo po.
Yeah, so you can follow us on Facebook. It's Malan on Facebook and at MalanPH on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm inviting you to please come and visit our store here at SM City Clark. Visit Malan and you can get your favorite or our bestsellers, earrings and headpieces.
Natin si Chef itong caking Giant Cakes and Pastries. Kasama natin si Sir Frankie yan, ng tangkat-tangkat. Kailan kayo nag-start, Sir?
Actually, nag-start naman 2015 pa. Pero wedding cakes lang ginagawa namin. And then last year, nag-start kami na retail items. We have our 2 signature chocolate cakes. We have the Tanya, which is chocolate and caramel. And no specific name chocolate cake, all chocolate. We also have the candied capsules. Side item.
So ito yung mga lahat ng products niyo, Sir?
Yes, yes.
So Tanya, yan, NSN, CC, and then yung berry cake.
Follow us at Caking Giant on Instagram and then Caking Giant Cake and Pastries on Facebook. Guys, you can visit us here at SM StartUp Market at SM Clark. You can also have free taste if you want to try our cake. See you!
Yung kabalen, last nating si Chef si Kino Mocha. So kasama natin si Ma'am Gay. Yan. Ma'am Gay, alam po kayo nag-start?
We started August 2020.
Pandemic din.
Pandemic. So we thought of, kasi syempre, the kids are one of the vulnerable na population for this pandemic. So we thought of doing this wooden products, no, para continuous pa rin yung development through learning, through play.
Yeah, kahit hindi sila makalabas, kahit sa bahay
They
naman.
they can use this for their development as well. So yung mga prime toys namin, actually we have a set of that. No, this is just one of the sets. Ito yung gold cylinder.
So lahat yan, wood.
These are all made of wood. First, invite everybody, our kabalan, to visit our booth right now to check all our customized, high-quality, handcrafted wooden products made by our woodcrafters, Kapampangan woodcrafters here in Angeles City. So I wish to see you all here. We're giving a lot of discounts. We're more active in Instagram, so you can check our products at kinomocha.ph.
Kakatapos lang ng program ng StartUp Market dito sa SM City Clark. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. And then syempre guys, huwag yung kalimutang i-share itong video to para masuportahan natin yung mga dedicated entrepreneurs natin, mga online business owners, and then syempre ito para malaman ng mga ibang kabalan natin dyan, yung one-stop shop ng StartUp Market dito sa SM City Clark. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Peace out!